Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java project which is entitled as a secure and decentralized auditing scheme for cloud ensuring data integrity and fairness in auditing. So let's go inside and see through that what are the authors that has been proposed. So in this you can see that many security concerns has been involved, whereas the verification scheme as well as the employed third party auditor for performing the data auditing. Here some of the disadvantages has been there, as like data has been corrupted while securing, as well as the redundant of data which has been storing of information, and also there's a duplicate data with the data loss. So some of the disadvantages of those things, so which we need to overcome all those things. We are going to be performing the encryption process as well as the confidentiality of information with the deduplication of information, and also security will be provided through the blockchain process. So let's see the architecture diagram of this process. So here you can see that what are the process which are users as a data owners, auditor, cloud service provider, and a blockchain as a smart contract. So here you can see the data transfer as well as the audit delegation and challenges with the generation as well as the response, and finally the audit by the auditor. So some of the information will be stored in the blockchain which has been performed by the auditor. So let's see through that what is the process of that, and how the working process has been done. So we are going to be running the project. So while running, check with that skill script has been inserted. Here you can see the home page of the project. So in this you can see that data owner audited CSP and smart contract. First is log into the data owner and upload the doc as a text file or as document file, any file, but to encrypt that information in the background. So once the upload has been done means you can view the file, and also it's unencrypted information as well as the secret key also been encrypted. So then log out for now and go for auditor and log in for the auditor. Here you can see the uploaded file, and also you can see the secret key, and here you can see need to request it if you need to access that information, because there is no information which has been in the decrypted format. To accessibility, the authentication has been done. So next for the CSP side, log into CSP, check with that uploaded file, and the other action which has been done is accept and request, where the request has been given by the data user now, that is the request will be accepted by the CSP. So once the request has been accepted, the blockchain process will be happen in the background, where the information will be converted into a block of mines, which is separate blocks, which is 4 to 5 blocks of informations. Here you can see the block mined, which is a different hash values. And once the process has been done means the acceptance process will be notified. Okay, here you can see the acceptance with a secret key that has been decrypted. And finally, go back and log out from the CSP. And if you need to view that blockchain process means you can log into the smart contract. So once you have been logged in with the smart contract means you can check with that informations. So what are the informations that are uploaded, as well as the uploaded file, and also the blockchain that has been converted, how many blocks of information it has been converted. All those things can be viewed here as in the format of hash values. Once you have been get through over with means, you can log out from the smart contract, and finally go for the, that is, auditor side. So log in for it, and then the secret key which has been sent to auditor na, using that secret key you can download the information. Here you can see that who has been requested and accepted by a person, and also secret key, and finally you can download that information as in the format of text file, where the information will be decrypted, so that you can see that what is the information. So by this way you can see through that what are the informations. So, and with this process, what are the things which we have been achieved are, that is, public data auditing, blockchain, and then confidentiality, and also encryption, and these most of the things that have been involved, as well as the data integrity process for ensuring the information has been performed.